Plus label system for Maxim products is intuitive icon-based labeling and training for cleaning professionals. Knowing which cleaning product, how to use it, and understanding how to properly mix it takes comprehensive training for your staff. Studies show 4 out of 5 cleaning employees misuse cleaning products. This rampant misuse costs money and time every year in wasted product and productivity. Product misuse contributes to multiple issues, from sticky floors and ruined fixtures to workplace injuries. Wouldn't it be nice if there were a solution to eliminate product waste, shorten training time for new staff, and ensure correct product usage? That's why we developed the Plus label system. The Plus label system makes cleaning intuitive through icon-based training, and research shows Plus labels lead to 80% correct product usage. Employees just have to find 4 key elements on the label: product type, numbered steps, icons, and icon descriptors. The visual icons are universally understood, showing the user exactly how to use the product in numbered steps. And the icon descriptors are in multiple languages. The Plus label system is easy to understand regardless of language or reading levels, and it's available exclusively on Maxim products. In addition to the labels, support resources and training are available online. Now, cleaning professionals can be safer and more efficient. The Plus label system eliminates product misuse, underuse, and overuse, making your employees more efficient and with less training time. Contact your Maxim representative to learn more about the Plus label system.